I love solo hiking. Um, there's just a peace and a oneness that comes when I'm out on the trail by myself or wandering in the woods on my own. I could be out here all day if I didn't have a 9 to 5, especially on a day like today where it's just under 60 degrees and the sun is shining and there's a cool breeze. So it really is a beautiful day to just be in the woods. I know some people might think solo hiking is scary. And I won't lie, sometimes it is. Sometimes it is. Especially depending on where I am. Right now I'm in an area that I'm very familiar with, so I'm not afraid. But sometimes being afraid is the point. To get out there and to go somewhere where you haven't been before. To go somewhere where it's just me and my wit and my senses. That is an incredible feeling. To know that it's total self-reliance and reliance on my higher power to get me through whatever obstacle may or may not come about. So I'm going to turn this around. Take my trail with me for a little bit. Look at that sky. It's just absolutely amazing. You can see downtown Nashville. Don't know if I can zoom in from here. Through those trees right there. Have a wonderful day.